Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the lecture 9 of Software Engineering Basics series, and we are talking about the DFD or data flow diagram, which is a quite a method for getting the domain knowledge of the system for which we are developing the software, right? So what should we represent in our DFD is really important to understand because we don't want to mess up our DFD, right? And so the every process which we are representing or we are adding in our data flow diagram should have some input or and output, right? Because if it's not the information we are representing in the DFD, if it's not being modified or being used in the whole scenario, then we shouldn't even represent it in our DFD. So that's the main motive, and we should think of it as we should add process, like process which perform calculation, so it can be mathematical calculation or anything like that, and then the process which help in the decision making, then the process which modify the information in some ways and which trigger any other process, so we should add that. So these are the main things which we should add in our DFD and which perform the CRUD, which is obviously create, read, update or delete, and which are basic the functionalities of our system, right? We should add that also. So these are quite the things which you should add in your DFD. And if you are representing a variable which is not being even used in the whole scenario, then why you should even add that in your DFD, right? That's the motive. Like everything should have their function in the DFD. And at first, so now we're talking about the types of DFD. Basically there are three types: the context diagram, then we have level 0 diagram, then there is detail diagram. So at first we create level 0 or the context diagram, even before that, and which describe the overall context or the boundary of the our system, right? So it gives the broader level view for the system, and then we add some detailing to that in the detail diagram or the detailed data flow diagram. And the every process in DFD should have some input and some output. This is really important when you are developing the DFD. So that's it for the DFD, and we'll meet you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.